Hello guys, this is Rahul Lodi. Welcome to your favorite channel. Today we will learn how to fetch data from database and show in a table. So firstly we will create a list.php file. So we will just copy the save.php file and rename it list.php. Then we will remove all this content from here and we will write a SQL query for get data. $SQL equal to select asterisk from registration. Then $result equal to $connection. These connection variable are coming from dbconfig.php file. We have already defined this in dbconfig.php file. $connection query $SQL. If $result if number of rows is greater than 0 means we are getting some data from this query. So that will check. If number of rows is greater than 0, then we will write here our statement in while loop. $row is equal to $result fetch associative. Then we will print this $row. List.php undefined variable SQL. Okay, we have to pass here is equal to. Here you can see this, guys, we are getting. So now we will go to the table and see here we have saved two data, and now we are getting all the columns in our record because we have used asterisk here. So we are getting all the columns in record. If we want some specific column name like ID, name, email, DOB and contact, so we have to specify here name, ID, name, email, DOB and contact. So we will get only these columns data. Okay, now we will get each column value inside while loop. So we will create a table here of print this record. So we have to close the dollar and open. Here we have to create table. Body head. Inside T head, in a row, we will write each column name. Name, ID, name, email, TOB, and contact. Now here we will create a row for so record echo tr. We can separate this PHP code and HTML code. So we have to open and close that PHP code, and now we will write here or HTML tr these 4-5 column values. Copy this. Okay, now we have to show here ID. So echo $row so we will see ID here. Then name, then email, DOB, and contact. Now we can see this, guys. Here we are getting each records. So here you can see this, guys. We are getting 2 records from database. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.